If you're the average college student, then you'll know what it is like to be on the same ramen noodle diet, and you'll have to be one of the best penny pinchers in the world. Now, ideally, more money is always welcomed, and if you could find a way or ways to make some money on your own without it interfering with your studies, then things could and would be a little bit smoother for you in college. In this video, we will talk about the best jobs that college students can do and earn that extra cash that they need to make their lives a little easier while in college. So if you're in college and you're watching this video, drop me a comment down below with what kind of jobs you have done and the reasons why you like or dislike them, and also what kinds of jobs do you think would be ideal for college students. Now, if you're new here and this is the first time that you're seeing me, my name is Ian, and here on this channel I talk about ways to make money, save money, invest money, and anything that has to do with personal finance. So with that said, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel. And when you do so, don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can see new content from me. And I post videos here on YouTube every single day. So as a college student, you'll need to find a job that requires no degree because you wouldn't have one as yet. This job should also be one that requires little to no experience and should be easy enough for you to do so your life doesn't get too crazy while you're studying. So to be able to have all of this, we'll consider some online jobs. Now, before we go any further, let me just say that these will be online jobs to make some extra cash, not jobs that are going to turn you into a college millionaire so you can drop out of college and go live like a king or a queen. If you can make $1,500 a month, then this should really greatly help with your life while in college. Now, online jobs are best for college students because of two main reasons. Now, the first is that you don't have to go anywhere. Your office or workspace is where you say it is at any time. So it could be before classes, in between, or after. Now, even if you think you have the most packed semester, you can still find some of these jobs, fit them in, and make some extra cash. Now, the second reason is that you can now have multiple jobs. Remember, these won't make you rich and they probably won't be the highest paying jobs you'll get in your life. So to make the most, you can plan to do several online jobs so as to make more money as opposed to just doing one. So now you need to figure out what you can do and get paid for doing it. This has to be something that you can do really well. If you don't already have a skill that you can monetize, then you can learn one in a few weeks. Here are some of the things you could be doing to earn extra clients and get work from them to do from time to time. Now, the first one or the first online job you can do is social media management. It is now estimated that over 3 billion people around the globe are using social media. This includes a lot of businesses who market their products and services to social media users. So this is actually a real job now. The experience required is just knowing how to use social media for the most part. Now, most businesses are now just entering the world of social media, and what they're used to is having physical ads in a physical location. In the social media space, they just aren't sure how to market. Now, this is where you come in with your experience of making social media posts and using hashtags and knowing what to say in captions and descriptions to get people's attention. Now, this may seem really easy for you because you use social media all the time. So now you can get paid for using knowledge that you already have that you have probably been overlooking all this time. Now, for making social media posts, answering messages, and managing a social media page, businesses are paying anywhere on average from $300 per month all the way up to $1,500 per month. So by this alone, you can get up to $1,500 a month in your spare time. As a college student, you can also start a blog. This one may require a little bit more work up front, but afterwards it could provide a steady stream of income without you spending too much time on it. So we're looking at jobs for college students, and I know these should all be jobs where you spend no money to start ideally, but creating a blog can be so profitable with just a little work. I had to include it on this list. Now, if you do your research, you can purchase your own domain and web hosting and set up your blog yourself. So instead of it costing you thousands, you can realistically get this set up for under $50. So even though you still have to spend some money to get this started, it's a small amount of money compared to any other business. So now that you want to start a blog, the first thing you'll need to do is to find a niche. Now, this is the topic or subject areas that the blog will be about. It could be a hobby of yours or something that you like talking about. Now, on this blog, you're going to write several blog posts about that particular subject area. If you can find a topic that not a lot of people are already talking about, then that's even better, as you'll have less competition on the internet. But how do you make money after writing all these blog posts, right? Well, the easiest ways are by placing ads on your blog. These could be PPC ads, affiliate programs, and sponsored posts, just to name a few. If you work on this hard enough, once your blog starts getting enough traffic every day, you should be making no less than $500 per month at minimum by doing nothing really. It's like spending your first year in college creating this, and then by the end of year 2, you'll be getting paid for all the work that you put in before. Another online job that you can do as a college student and make some money is to do freelance writing. This one will be much quicker than starting your blog. You'll be able to get paid in a matter of days as opposed to waiting a year. Now, usually this could be for someone who already has a blog and they need more content. Now, these jobs are very easy to get, and the demand for blog writers has always been high. You will need to be able to write about a variety of topics ranging from business to entertainment. Now, as a blog writer, you can make $100 quickly by writing 3 to 5 blog articles of a couple thousand words. Now, this is as a beginner. When you get some experience, you can earn 5 times more by writing blog posts. Now, there are people who actually do this full time and earn about $50,000 a year by writing. Think about that for a minute. The next way that you can make some money as a college student is by dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is when you act as the middleman for selling a product. With this method, you will post the products for sale but not actually have them, and then when you receive the orders, you'll have the manufacturer or the supplier ship them directly to the customer. Now, with this method, you will once again need a little money to start it at first until it becomes profitable. The suppliers will allow you to drop ship because they want the product sold and they just cannot market them and get them all sold by themselves. So if you can create a small Shopify website, which would probably be the easiest way to go about this, then you can list the products, market them on social media or by some other means and get them sold. This is one easy and good way of making money as a college student. So these are just a few of the best and easiest ways to make money as a college student, in my opinion. Now, if you guys know any other methods, be sure to drop me a comment down below with those so we can see them as well. I hope you guys really liked the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post. And I post videos here every single day on YouTube. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it's free and I'll really appreciate it. Also guys, be sure to check out the links down below to all kinds of free stuff and offers, and also WEBULL, where you'll receive 2 free stocks when you deposit just $100 in your investment account. And these 2 free stocks can be anything worth over $1,000, so be sure to check that out. And when you get your free stocks, if you like them, you keep them. If not, then you sell them and keep the cash, or just use it to buy some other stocks that you'd prefer to invest in. Now, if you're a new viewer or subscriber here on the channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and ways to make money. Once again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.